Clouds up there today, Tom. Looks like it's gonna rain.
That's so.
Yeah, it looks like it. Gonna turn the whole goddamn farm into mud.
Yeah, well, that's what happens when it rains, Tim.
So they say.
How them pigs doing?
They're still there.
You count them?
Tried to.
The hell do you mean try
They
to?
kept moving around.
You're supposed to count them, Tim.
Yeah, I know it. About 15,000 of them.
About.
Thereabouts.
You think the EPA man will go for that? About 15,000?
I don't know.
Hey, Tom, how many pigs you got for me today?
I don't know. About 15,000?
Well, that's just great, Tom. No thoughts for you today.
You think that's how it's gonna go when the EPA men get here, all sweetness and candy?
Tony says they're not coming.
Tony?
Yeah, from down the road. Says they would have been here by now if they were.
Man, don't listen to Tony.
He says he's got a feeling.
Feelings? I got lots of feelings. I got too many. Look, Tim, the federal government will be here today, tomorrow at the latest, and I don't like riding any harder than you like being ridden, but they're going to have their counting men, and I'm going to need my counting men, which is you, all right? So you go out there and you count every goddamn thing on this farm. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand you.
That's real good.
The goddamn federal government. Why do they need to do a count anyways, huh?
It's law, Tim. It's a federal law. Time's come when a man's got to farm out 15,000 pigs to make a buck in this world, what with the price of pork going up and all. And believe me, the Fed's got their own ideas about that too.
Yeah.
But one day we'll be done with the federal government. Oh, with their laws and taxes and whatnot.
Yeah.
But until that day, we play ball. You get me?
Yeah, sure come I get you.
Look, Tim. Here's my marker. Alright, now, when you count a pig, you just put a little black mark on the snout, alright? That way you know which pigs you counted and which ones you haven't.
Okay.
You got your pad?
Yeah, I got it.
Alright then.
Just one man, Tom.
The day you count my pigs is the day I call you a man.
There's 15,000 of them.
Thereabouts, Tim, thereabouts. Let's find out exactly how many.
Tom, Tim,
Tina?
potbelly clouds out there today.
Yeah, so I heard.
It's gonna turn the whole goddamn farm into mud.
Yeah, well, that's what happens when it rains. You washed today?
No, I'm good.
How about you, Tim?
No, I gotta go back out. I got marker work to do.
Marker work.
Yeah, Tim will be doing the count today.
Awful lot of pigs out there.
Yeah, I know how many pigs there are. Roughly.
Thought you was gonna do the count.
Yeah, I thought I was too. Gotta go down to the river and do another dumping.
Dumping.
Sludge dumping.
Yeah, we'll be clear out from the pens.
That's a lot of sludge.
Yeah, well, leave it for the rain and we'll be swimming in it.
Yeah, already are.
Yeah, well, 15,000 pigs makes for a lot of sludge.
15,000 or thereabouts.
That's right, Tim, that's exactly right. All right, now you get on out there. Don't forget that marker trick I taught you.
Oh, I won't forget what you taught me, and I won't forget what you said about that federal government. Because the day the federal government goes, so does the count, but on that day, I'll have a bottle of beer. I can tell you that. I'll have myself a tall bottle of beer.
He's a good kid.
Hey, he's all right.
Yeah, keep filling his head with hateful things about the federal government. We'll see how long he stays good.
Don't need me to fill it. Boys spend time in the juvenile detention center. Juvie hall. Those the feds better than any of us do.
Yeah, better than any kid should.
Hey, that's the truth of it. But he's here with us till he turns 18, that is.
When are we gonna have a kid, Tom?
Oh, not this whole song and dance again.
Oh, is that what it is to you? A song and a dance?
Tina!
I want a kid, Tom. My own kid. Our kid.
Tina, I got the feds on my back. I got feeding to buy. I don't have time for this right now.
You promised me.
Yeah, I know what I promised you.
Clean wash I've been giving you every day, just like I promised. So what about your promise, huh?
Yeah, I'm good for it, just not now.
When?
I don't know. When things settle down.
Oh, that's just the thing, Tom. Things never do settle down.
Look, maybe they do, and maybe they don't. But the thing is, Tina, it's just got to be about the farm right now, the pig farm, and that's all it's got to be about.
Yeah, I'm not going to.
God damn it, Tina! I got the fence on my back. I got sludge cart down the goddamn river. Where am I supposed to fit a baby in all this?
Babies are small, Tom. They're most anywhere.
Oh, well, a baby's an explosion, and don't you tell me different.
Baby's an expression of love, Tom. That's the main thing.
Yeah, I know what a baby is.
You do love me, Tom, don't you?
Of course I do, Tina. You know I do.
No, Tom, I don't. Not for sure, I don't.
Look, Tina, I just need time, all right? Time to set things straight.
What you need is to get right with me.
Who the hell could that be?
Forget about it, Tom. Just stay with me for a second. Female!
Toby, is that you?
Female, damn you! Get out of here! Potbelly Bob, get out of here for winter song!
All right, Toby, just give me a second, will you? Maybe you'll see.
Awful early.
Yeah, well, I asked him to come early. You see, the feds love feeding time, so why not have some extra people in in case they want to see the show?
The feed meal man's here, Tom.
Yeah, I heard, Tim.
He wants to see me. Right away, he's got a lot of deliveries today, trying to beat the rain.
Look, Tina, his truck is full of sacks. I gotta get him over to the slop house.
Go on, Tom. Go on out to the goddamn feed meal man!
Tim.
Tim. Feed no man's real
a hard man when he's fair once you get to talking to him.
What about you, Tim? You a fair man?
I don't know. I do what I do, I suppose. Never really thought about it much.
Suppose you should think about it now.
Suppose I should.
Go on, do your count, get the hell out of here.
Son of a bitch female man's charging me emergency rates again.
Yeah, well, that's how it is around here, isn't it?
Hey, he won't unload the meal without it, without the extra.
Purse is in the bedroom. Hi, you female man! You're a real son of a bitch, aren't you? Wow! Hey! Who said that? Over here, you know, good goddamn emergency rate charging son of a bitch! Oh, you want the female, huh? Don't you? You know what I'd like to do with that female? I'd like to take that female and shove it up!
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Oh, what the hell does it look like, Tom?
You just yelling at him, he's the goddamn female man.
Oh, and who am I, Tom? Who the hell am I?
He's leaving, Tom.
I thought I told you to start counting.
Oh, well, he's leaving. He started to turn the truck around.
Well, go stop him then.
Crying out loud, that's what I was trying to do.
Look, Tina, if you gotta yell at someone, yell at me, all right? But don't yell at Tony, he's a goddamn female.
Maybe I'm tired of yelling at Tina! Oh, all these years I've been clean clothes, birthing pigs, cooking food. All these years I've stood by you so you can keep this farm going. So now, you stand by me. You stand by me and you give me a baby, goddamn it, and you do it now. I mean, right